Hey, today is October 17th. I'm going to look at testing out the oil well indicator. And as you can see here, we've had several boxes pop up, but the price never moved into them. So these were all no trades. We'll go back and take a look. The time is now 10:17. I said I was going to start at 8:30. And I did start at 8:30, but I wanted to begin when we actually had something worth trading. And here's something at 6:46, but obviously I wasn't awoke at this time, so it would have been a winner, but I didn't take that trade. And throughout the night we had several boxes pop up, but again, nothing that we could have actually traded. And yesterday I believe there were two opportunities. Let me go back far enough. Here's one right here. Alright, so yesterday at 1:46 we had an opportunity. This was a sell, so this was profitable. And then also at, what time was this? 12:21. So we had two opportunities yesterday, which would have given us winning trades. This was also a sell. And I think that's pretty much it. That's when I actually started the software. So yeah. Alright, so with that being said, I will be back with you guys on our first trade that pops up, and we'll see how the day goes. I'll be trading until 2 o'clock, so we have several hours to go. I'll be back. Alright, we have another box here, and it looks like this one might actually get filled. I've already placed my order in here. If it goes up and goes into the box, we will get filled, and we'll be looking for 10 ticks in profit. We'll see here shortly if it goes up to fill us. You can also check it here.
Order filled.
Alright, we're now in. And we're going to watch and see what happens here. And like I said, our stop and take profit are automatically entered. And I believe our potential is 100.93, which is exactly where we're set up at, so that's perfect. And our stop is up here at, where is it at? 101.18. And their stop area is 101.18, so we're good to go here.
Target filled.
And there it is. That was our first target hit. This is the first trade I've taken with the oil well indicator, and it was successful. So with that being said, I'm going to press pause, and I'll be back with you guys on the next one. Thank you. Alright, we have another box here. 100.51 for a buy.
Order pending.
Which is right there. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there. And I'm going to press pause, and I'll come back and let you guys watch it if we get filled. Actually, it looks like we might get filled now. A couple ticks away, actually. Okay, I'll go ahead and press. Well, one more tick and we'll be in. Okay, I'll be back. Alright folks, we are now in that trade. Only took a couple seconds after I told you guys to hold on, and I am back. And once again, I believe my stop is 15 ticks and the take profit is 10 ticks. So 101 point, oh excuse me, it's down here. 100.36 should be what it is. So it should be right there, and there it is. And our take profit is right there at this area. Alright, so with that being set, I will press pause and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, we are pushing down towards our stop. And I want you guys to see it when it gets
Stop
taken out.
filled.
Alright, there it is. We got taken out, so now we are at minus 75. For a while there we were up about 6 or 7 ticks, but it didn't pass that 10 tick mark. And this was a very strong push down. And I'm actually going to see if there's something going on right now. Okay, and there actually is something going on. The president is talking about
Don't let anybody else tell you different.
the government shutdown and the debt ceiling
Especially
bill.
the young people.
Okay. Well, yeah, there was something going on, but nonetheless, I'm not sure if that was why we had this spike down. But anyway, we're now down 75. We were just up 75. We were up about 6 ticks in this trade, but like I said, I'm going to let it run exactly as they instruct me to, and we'll see how it goes. I'll be back with you guys on the next trade. Let's see if I can find my here it is. Okay, I'll be back. And I wanted to make a quick update. Something that I forgot to do was to add my support and resistance areas and also my trend lines. As you can see here, there is a trend line going down this area right here, which is serving as a level of resistance. And if I would have gotten in here, which I did, I would have saw that it actually went up directly to the trend line and stopped right on it. So if I would have had that there beforehand, I would have most likely gotten out at that point with 7 ticks in profit and not tried to wait and see if it would have pushed through, because obviously it didn't. But I didn't. That's something I forgot. And also here's a level right here. You can see here it bounced off there, and it was used as resistance right here as well. And the same with this trend line. It was used as resistance here and then as support on a couple times here. So we learned something new. I'll try to remember this in the future, and we'll just continue moving forward. I'll be back with you guys on the next indicator. Okay, I'm back. As you guys can see here, we have a box, and it hasn't yet turned red for a sell. It won't turn red until the price actually goes up and touches our order right here. Anyway, I'll be back with you guys shortly, and we'll see if it touches it to give us a trade. Alright, we're about 1 tick from getting entered into this trade for a sell. As you guys can see here, it's popped up to 100.72 several times now, but did not quite touch it, didn't tick over. And we have about from 16 over to 20, so we do have about 4 minutes left to get into this trade. If we're not filled by the time this box ends, then we will not take this trade at all. So hopefully we'll get filled here. Anyway, I was sure I was going to get filled a second ago, but it didn't happen, so I'm going to press pause and I'll be back again. Okay, our order was just filled, as you guys can see here. And I'm actually a little shocked, mainly because our take profit wasn't entered. Alright, let me look over here real quick. Alright, recommendation of stop is 100.88. So that should be right here. Alright.
Order pending.
Take profit will be, where is it at? 6.3. Actually, we just came damn close to hitting it right there. Actually, it did come down and hit it. So, I'm trying to see if I should go ahead and get out or wait for it to come back.
Order canceled.
Alright, so as you guys saw there, the market did come down and hit our take profit area. I decided to go ahead and get out. because I wasn't set up. I mean, this is my first day trying, and obviously I've made a couple mistakes. For some reason I forgot to set this up. My gap close, as you can see here, is set for 15 and 10, and I thought it would carry over, but it didn't. So I had to set it on both sides, but I forgot to do that. So that's mistake number 2. And obviously, like I said, hopefully once I make these mistakes, they won't happen again. So that could have been another 10 ticks in profit right here. But instead, I think I got, what was it, from 73 down to 68. So I was able to get 5 ticks, so $50. And back here again, I'm sure you guys remember this. I got in here, but I didn't see all this resistance right here. If I had seen that, if I had drawn my lines, I would have went ahead and placed my take profit right in this area, most likely right here, and I would have been able to take 5 ticks instead of losing the 15. These are obviously things or mistakes that shouldn't have happened, but they did. Anyway, that being said, I'm currently up $25. As you guys recall, I believe it was either $25 or $50, or it might have been $75 that I was down when I started this trading program. That didn't have anything to do with the oil well, so I'm not counting that. So right now I'm up. It's either $25 or $50, but anyway, I'll be back with you guys shortly, and we'll see what happens next. Hey, I wanted to make a quick video. I just got back to the house, and as you can see here, we did have another trade. Had to step out. It was actually at 1:59. So 1 minute before I would typically stop trading this method, I did get this signal, and I actually left about 5 minutes before this box popped up. So it is what it is, but as you can see here, this would have been an easy winner. We wouldn't have taken too much heat on this trade at all. I think only 2 ticks in the red, and up to 45, so to right there, and we would have been out within about 60 seconds. Anyway, that would have been another winner, and if I was still here, that would have been caught within my time frame of up until 2 o'clock, because it was 1 minute before 2 o'clock hit. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. I actually did go back and check things, and we're actually at break even now, so I guess it was $25 that I was in the red initially. And if we go back here, alright, we made 15 here, or excuse me, we made 10 here, lost 15 here, and made 5 right here. So that comes out to break even. If I would have caught this one, it would have been another 10 ticks in profit, but I didn't. So today is a break-even day, and I will end it right there. And tomorrow, hopefully, we won't have as many issues because I've gone through the problems now. So with that being said, I'll end today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.